In this video, we will discuss about maxima and minima. What is the maxima and minima? Maxima means maximum value and minima means minimum value. For mathematical definition of the maxima and minima, what will be? Let f be a function defined on an interval I. Interval is given, which is the I, and f be a function. Then this f said to be maxima, or this function have a maximum value in the given interval I if there exists a point in I, a point C in I such that f of C is greater than of f of C. F of C is greater than f of x for all x belongs to I. As you see here, f of C is greater than f of x and C is a point lie in given interval. Here f of C is the maximum value and C is a point is called a point of maximum value in given interval. Now we check in this first graph. This is the graph 1. As you see here, this is a graph of y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x is a function, and if we going from 0 into the positive direction, this graph is increasing, and at this point, this is the maximum value and this point is known as point C, and after that if we move in the positive direction again, then value of given function is decreasing. That means from 0 go into the positive direction, the value of given function is increases, but at a given point C, this value of this function is maximum, which is denoted by f of C, and this is f of C is the maximum value at the point C, and again the value of this function it decreases. Now we will discuss about what is the minima or maximum minimum value. Now you can define like this: f is said to be a minimum value. What is on the place of maximum? You should be right minimum value in I if there exists a point C in I such that f of C is less than f of x for all x belongs to I. That means here f of C is greater than f of x. This is the condition of maxima at point C, and here condition is f of C is less than f of x. That means in whole interval at the point of C, value of a function is minimum. That means you can see here on this point, length of this is minimum, here maximum, here also maximum, here greater than this is the greater than this is also greater than this, and on the right side also this is the greater than this is the greater than this is also greater than this. That means on the point C, value of given function is minimum. So this function will be minimum at point C if f of C is less than f of x. This is a condition for minima or minimum value. Now you see, this is the second. Now you see in the third type of graph, suppose this is A and this is the B. Since in this graph you can see only here the minimum value, here maximum value, means either minimum or maximum. There is no another type of values. at point A, this is the minimum value of this graph, and at the point B, this is the maximum value. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, this is the 2. Now f of 1 is minimum value and f of 3 is maximum value. So this is known as extremes. On the extremes, either minimum or maximum. This graph is the y equal to f of x, and this is also graph of the y equal to f of x. Now in the next video, we will discuss about local maxima and local minima.